Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to protect your Gmail account with Google Advanced Protection Program. And this is one of the maximum security that you can give your Gmail account in order to protect the account from hacker. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Google Chrome. After you open up your Google browser, click on search right here. So what you need to do is to type in Google Advanced Protection Program. Then hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Then click on the first result right here, Advanced Protection Program. It's going to take you right here. Scroll down. So you can see Advanced Protection Defense Against Targeted Online Attacks. Scroll down and read detail about this particular strong security that you can give your Google account or your Gmail account. Continue to scroll down until you get to Get Started. Click on Get Started. It takes you right here. Scroll down right here and make sure you enroll your passkey, enroll your recovery phone number, enroll your recovery email. Next thing you need to do is to click on Enroll in Advanced Protection. Click on that. And this is going to pump up right here. Review everything and make sure all these are checked to be green. Then click on Done right here. Now you have successfully enrolled for Advanced Protection Program in Google account. And this is going to be effective into your Gmail account. So let's go ahead and read our Gmail. So I'm going to go ahead now and open up my Gmail. So you can see right here, your account is safeguarded. This is a message from Google. You have successfully enrolled in the Advanced Protection Program with this particular Gmail right here. With this, your account is being fully defended and protected from being hacked online. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.